Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install EZ360 VR player on a Gear VR device. The Gear VR uses a Samsung phone. So open your Samsung phone and open the Oculus Gear VR application. Once it's opened, on the top right corner you can find the search icon, click it and search for EZ360, search, and there we have it. The top result is EZ360 VR player. Just hit install. Okay, the app is now installed, so hit the back button and then in the bottom hit library. And there you see it, the EZ360 VR application is now installed on your Samsung Gear VR device. If you haven't already, create your EZ360 account today. We have different plans, including a free plan, and if you have custom needs, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.